Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego set 40124. Has 107 pieces. I think it's called the Winter Scene or something like that. Don't remember. You get a couple minifigures, you get a little dog, a little front porch scene, a snowman. There's the back. This looks like a snowmobile or something. We'll just dump it all out. So you get a couple loose plates in there, some 4x8s in white. And a couple bags here. You got some sand green. Like sand green. And a tree. It's always nice to get green. There's that dog. I love those cool dogs. One of them. And then this bag. So 3 bags of parts, 2 loose plates, and here's the instruction booklet. And the parts. And here on the back, it shows the other seasonal set. And I haven't been able to get my hands on this one yet. It was sold out online before I even knew it was online. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Because it was only $10 at the Lego store, and everywhere I can find it, it's 20, 30 bucks people are trying to sell them for, and I don't want it that bad. I want it for $10. So that's what it is. But I got this set. This set looks pretty cool. So 3 bags, 2 loose parts. That's what's in the box, and thanks for watching.